Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. In this residential roofing segment, I will cover the details of wood shake shingle roofing solutions. Installing wood shake shingle roofing is the perfect way to give your home an attractive, rustic curb appeal. Typically made from natural materials like cedar, wood shake shingles are constructed to have a smooth, sawn underlayer with a rougher cut top layer displayed on the roof's exterior. This construction process replicates the hand split cut of an axe or mallet. By displaying their natural, beautiful, rich characteristics, wood shake shingles provide homes with a more traditional, rustic warmth compared to asphalt, clay, concrete, slate, and metal residential roofing solutions. What's more, wood shake shingles are extremely durable, 100% sustainable, and environmentally friendly. As Kansas and Missouri's premier roofing expert, Tech Renovations roofing technicians have installed countless residential and commercial roofs, including those constructed with wood shake shingles. To ensure the highest quality service, Tech Renovations uses only top-of-the-line materials from today's best roofing material manufacturers. Wood shake roofing shingles are an attractive choice and are great for traditional style homes. Although this type of roofing material is highly durable and resistant to damage from the elements, wood shake shingles cannot obtain a Class A fire safety rating. It is advisable for homeowners to consult with their insurance agent before installing wood shake shingles, as some insurance providers may not fully insure homes with wood shake shingles and deductibles can be higher. If insurance limits your ability to install a wood shake shingle roof, you can consider wood shake replicas, which are made from synthetic composite materials versus actual wood. Tech Renovations can help you discover all of your residential roofing options when you schedule a free consultation with one of our expert roofing technicians. Let's cover some of the reasons why homeowners choose wood shake shingle and wood shake replicas as a residential roofing solution. They are wind resistant. Not only do wood shake shingles and wood shake replicas provide homes with a beautiful natural aesthetic, but they are very durable. Wood shake shingles can withstand winds of up to 130 miles per hour. That is the same wind speed as a Class 4 hurricane. They are also extremely resistant to hail damage. They are algae resistant. Algae growth is one of the biggest issues that can plague shingle roofs. If left unchecked, algae growth can harm a roof's structural integrity. However, wood shake shingles, as well as most of the roofing materials we use at Tech Renovations, are constructed to be algae resistant. Our materials protect your roof and prevent algae from growing. They are environmentally friendly. Wood shake shingles are constructed from all natural materials. This makes them an extremely eco-friendly alternative to other roofing materials. As a renewable resource, wood shake shingles will not deplete our planet's finite resources, and they will not cause environmental harm when they hit the end of their life and they're disposed of. Wood shake shingles are a fantastic choice for eco-conscious homeowners who want to make a lasting positive environmental impact by supporting sustainable solutions. Finally, let's cover warranties and workmanship. Wood shake shingles and wood shake replicas are protected by a limited lifetime warranty. A limited lifetime warranty means that the roofing material manufacturer will guarantee the performance and quality of their product for a good number of years after installation. When you're ready to install a new roof or replace an existing one, Tech Renovations is here to help. Like I mentioned, we provide free consultations and estimates, and we also pride ourselves in helping homeowners navigate all of the technical details and options to ensure that they make the right buying decisions based on knowledge, their desired roofing requirements, and their budgets. Tech Renovations has been providing exceptional service to homeowners in both Kansas and Missouri for over 20 years, and we have a passion for perfection. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance and repairs, our highly skilled crews of roofing technicians, attention to detail is what sets us apart. We are a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company, and we have a 5-star Google rating. We're certified, licensed, and insured. We partner with only the best roofing product manufacturers in the industry. And every roofing project we complete is backed not only by rock-solid product manufacturer warranties, but also by Tech Renovations' own workmanship warranty. Give us a call or visit our website to learn about all of our residential roofing solutions, to view our work, and request a free residential roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovations, we take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment. It's what sets us apart from our competition, and we look forward to providing you with the very best residential roofing products, services, and satisfaction.